You guys already know it. You can walk, you can run, but you can't hide. I'll be seeing you again just like a boomerang.
Okay, so for those who don't know, I work at a massage college. It's a private college. And this is what our students are doing. They are massaging each other in the snow, by the way. In the freaking snow. It's snowing. We have flurries, but our students are so dedicated. Look at that. So proud of these guys. Agpamassage ako mga igamanda magamin dato ibagi. Usually kada bayad na igaman nyo tibagi. Okay, so we're next to the curling club here in Calgary. It's a fundraising event called Steps to End Homelessness. So what they're gonna do is, let me show you what they do. This is where they have to climb. They have to climb up the stairs and down to raise money for homelessness. Isn't that cool? I would climb, but I'm not athletic enough, so that's not gonna happen. Oh my God, nagadupay iti snow. My God, we have a lot of volunteers over here. Ooh, firemen, are you looking for a mistress? I am right here. I'm getting a massage. Oh, that feels good. You know, I've never gotten a massage.
Really?
Never, not once, from anybody at school.
Oh, Miranda.
Never, not once. Because I don't know, people touching me, I just don't like it. Oh, that feels good, Jasmine. Oh, yeah, that feels good. Now I understand why massage is such a big thing. It is snowing. Why? This is ridiculous. Oh my God. Oh. Why is it snowing? Why is it snowing? Why is it snowing? I am so sick of this. I remember last Sunday, I was wearing one layer of clothing. Just last Sunday, that was a week ago.
20 degrees next week.
A week ago, and I'm sick of this. Look, I can't believe I'm saying this. I cannot wait for Stampede. And then I'm gonna be complaining because it's too damn hot. Nakalamlamin. Thank God for the friggin' heater. Climb the stairs. So basically what happens is, for each time that you climb up and down, $2 is donated into the fund. So that's good, right? I mean, I can go up, but I don't think I'll be coming down.
Woo! Oh, look at you go, girl! You're killing it! You're working it! This is what Calgary's all about! Woo! Back again, number 49! You got this! Woo!
I love her. I love her. I love her so much.
Woo! You guys already know it! You can walk, you can run, but you can't hide! I'll be seeing you again just like a boomerang!
Come on, number 2. Come get your massage.
I will.
Okay, we'll be here all day. It is so cold. It is so cold. I need food. I need food and coffee. Thank you so much. Thanks. Whew. Question, is that free?
Yeah.
It is free?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna get one then.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I look good.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, I look good. Hold on a minute. Look at that. You can't tell me I don't look good. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. I got my photo. Oh no. My glasses. Oh my God. It's so windy. Oh my God. The sun is out. Oh my God, the sun is out. Thank you.
Today's day, the tank is clean, the sun
Yes.
is shining.
Nemo! I got the reference.
The tank is clean.
I got the reference right there. Nag-cute dati ni, di ba ayam tayo dati, di ubing tayo, dapat ka upak ngag sa saruno, something like that. Sayang, isa pa. One more. You can do it. Yay!
Come over here.
Hi! I love you. I love you so much.
Yeah, he's
Oh my God, you're such a good boy.
dog.
You're such a good boy. I love you. Naglalanguage estudyante ni sige, massage lang be. Massage lang, go. Hala kasta kumamo ka flexible ni wano. Ang kukaya data. So funny because look at how blue the sky is, but we've got clouds and it's kind of cold, but also sunny, and it's snowing, but it's not. What the hell? Ay na, damot yung uli. Sige, go up, go down, go up, go down. Yes, please. Thank you. Perfect. Thanks. There you go. Do you want to sit here?
Do you know what? Yeah.
Because I feel like I'm out of place. Because y'all are the same group, so I'm gonna leave.
Oh no, it's okay. You can
I don't feel like I belong.
No, no, we love you. Stay.
Lies. Nothing but lies from you.
We can squeeze. We can squeeze.
Liza Minnelli lies. Okay, you know what? I think I'm ready for ice cream. There are 4 more flavors for me to try later on. Thank you. Melted chocolate. It is so cold, but we're eating ice cream because why not?
How are you not cold right now?
I am, but you know.
Wow, these are like the most like
It's the most skin tone, yeah.
simple you've ever done. Are you
Thank
okay?
you so much.
Are you okay?
I'm going through something right
Are
now.
you okay? Like what is going on with you?
Working too much.
Yeah.
I just realized we have a Filipino student. I had no idea. Babe, ba't di ko alam? Mag-1 year ka na sa Vickers, I had no idea.
I just thought
What the
wala
hell?
ka kasing accent, ano? Nakakala
What
ko
the-
Spanish ka.
Oh, I get that a lot though. What the hell? Hindi ko alam may Pilipino pala sa Vickers. Well, at least I'm not the only one. Ada bagak? Ilocano mo, gayam ni Jasmine. Impopolan mo, gayam na Ilocano, my God. How many is that, Mitchell?
101.
101?
Yeah.
Holy smokes! It's impressive, but holy smokes!
Thank you.
What? Sige, be, karachim lang, be. Go. Sige, karate, go. Sige. O, dati pa ni, sige, la, karachim. Sige, la. Go, 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 go. Nagaling ni Gorgenia. Sige, go. Bam, 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 bam. Hey! Gusto nga po.